Happy New Year. Sparky Sparks here. Get ready with me. I'm getting ready to go to a surprise birthday party. And 80 years young. Can you believe that? Amazing. Really neat lady. So we're going to surprise her tonight at a restaurant. And so I thought I'd pop on here and let you get ready with me. So tonight I'm wearing Show Stopper in Hazelnut. As you know, Hazelnut is one of my favorite colors. And I had her on earlier, and I had on this little clip in the back. Let me show you the back. So it hangs very straight. And I just love this wig because it's great coloring, very natural, very low density. And somebody asked me earlier, how does Showstopper do with tangles? And I find that this wig really doesn't tangle much. I have used a hot comb or a heat comb on her, and I have used some silicone detangler, not detangler, deep conditioning. And what I do is when I wash her, I'll put in the deep conditioning just on the roots and leave them, you know, for a half hour, whenever I get back to it. And it has this, comes out very smooth and silky, like brand new out of the box. So I hope that's helpful. Have a great night and Happy New Year.